Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you save your any file in your drive, except this C drive, which is default is drive saved in drive, which I'm going to show you now. For that, I'm going to show you here. So here is my Gmail, and I'm going to show I am downloading this one file, and you can see here this file is downloading, and it's downloaded. And when we see this, here you can see it's downloaded in drive C download folder. You can see here. So now I'm going to change this location. For that, I will go here, and then you can see settings. After that, come down and you can see here advanced. Click here, and then here is downloads, and here is location. So I'm going to here change this, and you can change here by I'm selecting local.txt and select folder. Okay, again I am going to download this file again to show you. And here it's downloaded, and then you can see it's downloaded in local.txt. It's time 9:23. Yes, now in this way we can change the location, download location in Chrome. So I think this video helps you. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment in this channel. Thank you so much.